Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new Heartway S21A Easy Move. Here at Out and About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest in mobility innovation. Thank you for joining the Out and About family. Now that you have your brand new Easy Move, it's time to open it. Simply open the box and check around to see what side the wheels are on. Lay the box flat on the ground so that the wheels are facing the ground. Carefully pull the scooter out. Remove all the packaging from the scooter. Before you're able to unfold your Easy Move, you'll need to start it with the key. The lights on the back of your scooter will come on. Press the green button and your Easy Move will automatically unfold. Alternatively, you can press the green button on your Easy Move's remote to automatically unfold. Unfold the backrest. In the box, you'll have received a charger. To charge your scooter, connect the cable to the battery box. Your charging port is located on the side of your Easy Move. Plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your Easy Move. This will help protect it from damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. If the battery indicator shows red, you'll need to leave it to charge. We recommend charging your scooter overnight after daily use. Do not let your battery drop to zero. If the battery indicator shows green, your battery is fully charged. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator as it is a visual representation of your charge. On green, your battery is fully charged. On yellow, consider charging. On red, you have a low battery and you'll need to charge your scooter. Your Easy Move has a user-friendly display including a key start, speed dial, headlights, horn and battery gauge. To switch your headlights on and off, simply flick the switch on. To switch them off, flick the switch off. Your Easy Move has an adjustable tiller. To increase the height, simply loosen the knob and pull up, then tighten the knob. To decrease the height, loosen the knob and push down and tighten the knob again. To fold your scooter, fold the backrest down. You can either press the red button at the back of your scooter or use your Easy Move's remote and press the red button. Your Easy Move will automatically fold. If you have any questions with your new Heartway Easy Move, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.